So I'm going to show you how to distribute a page in your class notebook from your master class notebook to your student class notebooks. So I'm going to go into my master class where I have my teacher only section set up. I'm going to go to my class notebook. And remember, the teacher only section is your staging area, so everything gets completed in teacher only. I edit my Word document like I normally would, and then instead of putting something in for copies, I'm going to go to my class notebook and insert printout. So in my teacher only section, I have things set up. I want to distribute this first day, days 1 and 2, operation with polynomials, to my students. So I'm going to click Class Notebook. I'm going to go to Distribute Page. And because I'm going from my Master Class Notebook to my eSchool Teams class notebooks, I'm going to click Cross Notebook Distribution. And it's important that all of your notebooks that you're going to distribute into are organized the same way. So I have all of mine organized as Unit 1, and then the subsection is classwork, homework, printed notes. Unit 2, subsections, classwork, homework, printed notes, and so on. So I'm going to choose my practice team, which I'm using to model my eSchool team. And I want this to go into Unit 1, specifically in classwork. And I'm going to click Distribute. So it's spinning down here, which means it is sending it to all of those students. I'm going to give it a minute to distribute to everybody, and then I'm going to show you, I'm going to go out of this team and into my practice team and show you that they now have this page in their notebooks, and they can now annotate it and take their own notes during class. So while I'm waiting for this to happen, I'm going to pause the video because I don't want to waste time here while I'm waiting for this to sync and distribute. So as you can see, it shows me that this is done. So I'm going to go back to my teams. I'm going to go down to my practice team. And I'm going to go into my class notebook. And I'm going to look at my student notebooks because that's where I sent this. So if I drop down my student, Unit 1, in classwork, I don't see it just yet. Oh, there it is. Day 1 and 2, content not available from another computer and hasn't yet synced. But you can see that this is it. Let me see if I can force it to sync. But this is where it would be, and the title is obviously there as well. And you can do this with homework and anything from your masterclass notebook directly to your student notebooks. So because it does take a little while, this is something I would recommend that you set up like every morning you do it, or the night before you do it, or you could even perhaps do it at the beginning of each week. And know that there are some delays in syncing it. But if you hit F9 or Shift F9, it usually forces the sync as well. So that's how you distribute pages from your masterclass to your student notebooks.